Hey friends, welcome back to another unboxing video. It's me Sukeshni and today I will be doing unboxing of a tripod stand and share its review with you all. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So here is the parcel that I received. So let's unbox it. Inside this Amazon parcel there is a yellow box along with an invoice. So before opening this yellow box, let's see what is given in this box. Okay, the stand which I have ordered is from Digitek. It comes along with LED ring light and a stand. The stand has the height of 5 feet and the model number of this LED ring light is DRL12C and it has a dual color temperature. Below at the bottom here there are some features of this stand, and this stand can be used to take selfies, to take videos for your YouTube, TikTok and other fashion photo shoots. So yes, you can use it for photography purpose also. Now let's see at the back of this box. Behind the box we have a detailed description about the ring light and the tripod stand. As you can see here, it is in the form of a table. Then at the right hand corner of the box there are images of how to mount the ring light on the stand. So now let's open this box and see how is the package of the further stand. So inside the box there is another box and a stand given separately. So let's open this box also. So inside this box we have a ring light, power cable, smartphone mounted which is prefixed as of now, and a user manual. Yeah, this pack includes ring light, USB power cable, smartphone mount, stand, that is tripod stand, and the last user manual. So yes, these are the things that is also mentioned on the box. So let's start with the ring light. So this is the ring light which has a smartphone mount which is already fixed over here. It can be removed easily, and there is a power USB cable along a control button. So in this control button we can see that there is a plus and minus button to increase and decrease the intensity of the light. There is a on off switch, and one button is for the changing the temperature, dual color temperature. So yes, we can easily control our light as per our requirement. Okay, this power cable has a USB plug, so you can easily attach to your adapter or laptop. There is a screw given at the bottom of your ring light. With this you can easily fix it on the stand. flips to adjust the height of the stand. At the bottom there is a screw given. Bottom there is a screw given, so let's check this. So yeah, the attachment and the joints are really good. So let's check the height of this. Maximum height of the stand was 5 feet, but I can see that it is nearly 6 feet along with the ring light. So yeah, now I will be fixing this ring to the stand and let's see how it works. So now I have mounted the ring light and phone on this stand. Now using the adapter I have plugged it to the power supply. So let's check the intensity of the light first. Let's dim the light by pressing the minus button and then increase the intensity of the light gradually. Yeah, we can see the difference in the dim light, and when we are increasing the intensity of the light there is a great difference. So yes, it is working very nicely. Let's change the color temperature, and yes, you can see a difference in yellowish light and a blue light. So yeah, warm light can be seen in the yellow, a little bit yellowish shade, and the natural light can be seen in the bluish shade. So yes, this is also working fine. There is a screw just below the ring light, so you can easily change it to horizontally. Here the ring light along with your phone can be adjusted at 90 degree, and you can easily take the horizontal video. In case you don't want the ring light for taking the horizontal video, then you can also change the direction of the smartphone mount, and this phone can be easily rotated at its axis. So yeah, this is a very good feature of this stand. With this we come to the end of the video. Hope you like it. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Thanks for watching.